Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a payment method inside Pandora Jewellery online. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, on your mobile device or PC or laptop, open up any web page and then head on over to pandora.net. I'm in Australia, so that's why it says au.pandora, but if you're in a different country, it will start with different letters here, but pandora.net is the official website. And then once you're here, click on your user profile and make sure you're logged into your account. So I'll quickly go ahead and do that now. Alright, I'm signing in. And then once you're signed in, click on your user profile again. And then click onto cards. And now here is where you get to add cards. But as you can see, there's no option to add cards here. So what we need to do is make an order. So I'll go ahead and do that now. I'll go back and pick anything. So I'll pick some rings. Alright, that one. Add to bag. Select the size. And now I'll go to checkout. Little checkout icon. And now what I want to do is click on checkout again. Give it a few moments to load. Now fill out your delivery details. And you want to click on payment. And now this is where you add in your credit card details here. So go ahead and add in your card number, expiry date, security code, name on card. And then where it says save for my next payment, click on that as well. And then go ahead and place your order. But if you don't want to place an order, you just want to save your card, just save your card and then that should save it. So yeah, that's the end of this video guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this was helpful.